Hello everyone! So I did my presentation on The Despicable Deadpool. The End is Nigh, number 296 by Gary Duggan. My argument is that Gary Duggan's The Despicable Deadpool, The End is Nigh should be included in our core syllabus because it demonstrates great usage of motion and emotion through the panel-to-panel transitions. So, which I'll get into further. A little bit background before we get into it. This comic is essentially a brawlout between Captain America and Deadpool. And so Deadpool and Captain America are fighting, and basically Deadpool is blaming Captain America for all of the wrongs that he has done, and he is really frustrated that Captain America didn't and won't still save Preston. And basically, because as you know, Captain America is much stronger than Deadpool. Deadpool basically uses his sheer wit and tricks him into killing him in front of all these people. And so there's this, common themes of rivalry. Good versus evil. Is Captain America good because he's not saving this person? And then he kills Deadpool in front of people, and this perception is now then changed. And so, yeah, so you can see there's just a lot of action with that because they're fighting each other the entire time. And so, which goes into, there is obviously a huge sense of motion. Since it's completely action-packed, the author uses zip ribbons, bolded action words, action-to-action panel transitions to really help communicate this. So, because you can see as we're starting from left to right, you first go up, you can see how he's bringing Deadpool up and then just slams him down, and you can see the rock is moving up, the zip ribbons showing that force going down, the splack giving that emphasis of the hard hit, all helping give the sense of this great force and action going on. I have some more examples. More great zip ribbons going on, bolts of light, more bolded sound words. You can see the force here, and then you can see it's just an action to action. You can see this is going to hit his foot, bounces off. So the action to action transitions are great. Splashing up water, all helping give that great sense of motion. So then for emotion, the comic Deadpool, in this comic, Deadpool and Captain America show how Deadpool's really hurt by Captain America, and Captain America then sees how much he hurt Deadpool. And so the way the author really shows this is through the lines on the faces of the characters. You can see the sharpness here, and even further here when Deadpool is just screaming at Captain America for not helping save Preston. And then you can see the moment-to-moment transition, which really, helps give a sense of motion and emotion, and how hurt he physically is and emotionally, and then also a sense of, see how it's light in the daylight here, you can see the light shining down, and then it gets dark when he goes down into Deadpool's lair, and he shows Preston to him and how hurt and mad he is, and it gets dark. Helping that really transition from that light to dark really helps with the emotion. So overall, I think this comic would be a great addition to the syllabus for its transitions, from its panel-to-panel transitions, and its showing of motion and emotion. Thank you for listening.